Yeah, that'd be great.
My name is Simon Gibson. I'm chairman of the Alacrity Foundation, and the Alacrity Foundation is set up to create a new generation of technology companies here in Wales.
Hi, my name is Arnab. I'm from India. I'm a mechanical engineer. I graduated from Swansea University last year. You need mentorship, you need guidance, you need people, you need a great team, you need advice about all the finance, legal, sales, and everything. So this is the place to be if you want to be an entrepreneur. This program will actually go a long way to encourage people to be an entrepreneur, because a lot of the times people are kind of jittery in becoming an entrepreneur, and the reason is they don't see the benefits of becoming an entrepreneur. So what I told to them is that entrepreneurship, the spirit of entrepreneurship, has just come from the school level. So people who are giving their A-levels, GCSE, in order for them to become entrepreneurs, they need to see a tangible evidence, and they need to have a platform for actually becoming an entrepreneur.
So today we've had the committee from the Assembly come to visit us. We had a very engaging discussion about not only the work of Alacrity, but the issues associated with entrepreneurship and enterprise generally. We had discussions about access to capital, which of course is an issue. Infrastructure, which again the Welsh Assembly Government is addressing through superfast broadband initiatives. And access to appropriate buildings for young companies to go into, which are of a type that would look and feel like a serious tech company. I think it's a two-way benefit. We can get some feedback from the Assembly members, but secondly, I think what's equally as important is that when you get out of Cardiff and you get out of the government buildings, you do kind of get a reality check when you get out into the field to find out what the real issues are. And I commend the officials and obviously the Assembly members for taking the time out to do that, and we appreciate their listening here.